everybody needs to have some kind of a hobby. It doesn't have to be aviation because it's kind of expensive, but definitely everybody needs a hobby to unwind and center themselves again. Work's all you got, that'll kill you. That's a stressful environment. This is how you relax, doing stuff like this. Put it over here. Don't make any money, but it's still real nice to do. Tool maintenance part of the job. Thank you very much. This is the tiny blade that lets us cut the really tight corners in the metal. The pieces that were missing off the baffle plates, it's kind of like a jigsaw puzzle with maybe 1 or 2 pieces missing. That's basically what I've been doing, just working on a big jigsaw puzzle. People see my post on Facebook about what I'm working on, or they'll text me and ask me, what are you doing? And I'll say, well, I'm in the shop working on the airplane stuff. Everybody says without fail, dude, you need to relax. You're working too hard. This is how I relax. This is my hobby. This lets me unwind. And that's why I think everybody needs a hobby. Even if it seems like work to some, it's not to me. This is relaxation. Plus you get to see what you've done. You've actually accomplished something and you can see it. At least you're not sitting in front of a computer playing a game. When you shut it off, all of a sudden all of that work's gone. With this you can see it and it's around for a while. And that's that. That's cleaned and ready to polish. I'm very glad that she enjoys this stuff. Seems to be what she wants to do with her life. She's already shown her interest in the Air Force Academy. She's, on their email lists and stuff like that. I support her in it fully. She's the one that found the websites and all of the above on her own. Close. Just into the bend line. That looks really, really good. That looks perfect. I'm going to call that done. see? Not going, I think. We're making progress. Wow, that looks good. Yeah, I don't mind making the baffle plates. That's the fun stuff. Allows me to think about just this and not the rest of the world. But then I'm not too bad at this airplane stuff, I've been told.